Morning, friends. I just uploaded my video and I'm just responding to your guys' comments. I think I'm going to shout out in this video the top 5 people that comment. I set my alarm and it's still 12:36. So I wanted to talk to you guys just kind of like about my morning routine. I'll wake up, I'll go pee, I'll go brush my teeth, I'll wash my face, and then I'll do like a mask. But before that, my very first thing that I like to do is obviously get out of bed, but open up my windows. Like, I hate being in the dark. I feel super duper unproductive in the dark. I feel like it's nighttime. If I see like the sun is shining and everything, like I'm more motivated to like get up, and I'm more motivated to like make my bed and just get my day started. So if you guys are just sitting around in the dark, don't do it. Like, open up your windows, get active. Right now I'm using this mask and I'll show you guys what it is. Right now I'm using this Derma mask. This is a vitamin C gentle daily cleansing paste. It has golden turmeric and ancient rice. So you go ahead and you leave it on your skin for about 2 minutes and then you rinse it off. It's not like a crazy intense mask or anything like that, but you can leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes or until it's just dry. I'm gonna leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. I'm not gonna wait until it completely dries because I got to get going. I think I do want to share it though about doing masks, and it's totally fine to do masks during this time because we have all this time to like use our skincare and all these different things. You don't want to you want to use a mask like maybe 2 times a week. You don't want to do a mask every single day. That's not okay. Maybe 2 times to 1 time a week. So if you're doing like an exfoliating, cleaning out your pores kind of mask, totally fine. Do it once a week, and then you can do like a hydrating mask. But don't do like 2 exfoliating masks a week. Make sure you know what your masks are intended for, because if you're doing too much masking, you can mess up your face that way because it's too much exfoliation and then you will break out. So make sure you guys know what you're doing when you're masking. Super duper clean. Let's go change our clothes and get started on my day, which sucks because it's already 2 o'clock. Half the day's over, but at least we're still trying. That's all that counts. Guys, I am in my uniform. This is what I've been wearing every day. Just sweatpants and my hoodie, and that's it. I'm super comfortable in this, and it's cold, so I like to stay comfy. Today we're gonna tackle cleaning this room. So this is my makeup room. I have so much stuff in here, like entirely too much for one person. So I really want to clear out the things that I don't need and I don't want. I've organized these boxes, these books. I need to figure out what to do with them because I just don't know. I just don't know what to do with them. I think I'm probably going to sell them or something. So getting rid of this desk. I really want to turn this room into like a closet. So I'm going to have like shelves coming out and different things like that, like closet-like things. But right now I need to figure out what to do with all my stuff. Like in these drawers, I have like art supplies. And like, I don't know if you guys know, I went to art school. So like I have a ton of like art stuff everywhere. Actually, I was thinking about painting one of these days, but there's so much stuff. Like, I cannot. I have way too much, and I just don't know what to do with them. I don't want to have to buy another one of these things, but I think I might end up having to do that anyways because, like, I don't have any room. And then my sister wants these guys, so I have to, like, empty out these drawers, which have all, like, office supplies in it and stuff like that. So it's a struggle, you guys. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with all of this stuff. And then of course that's like my makeup section that I do all my makeup in, and then these are my makeup drawers. So the struggle is too real. But I think what I'm gonna do first and foremost is go make some coffee. I think I definitely have to go to the grocery store today. I don't know how it's gonna be, but we'll see. I've literally been sitting on my toilet for the past half an hour just on my phone, answering back to comments and just texting my friend. She's like freaking out about the whole thing, so I'm trying to calm her down. I am also trying to calm myself down because literally it's such a mix of emotions right now. Like, let's talk about it. This should be a thing, toilet talks with Reese. I am very like confused about these times that we're having right now. Like, on one hand, yes, this virus is so freaking serious. Like, people are literally dropping like flies, so 1000% it's super serious. However, you have the extremists that are literally like, don't even open the window, you're gonna get coronavirus. No, it doesn't work like that. I don't know, I feel like some days I'm super productive and I'm super like, yes, let's get into it, but then other days I'm just like, I don't want to do anything. Like, I don't feel like it. Like, I just don't feel like doing anything besides just laying down. And I think that's okay to do as long as your productive days are more than your like sad days. I think we're all so fortunate to just be stuck like at home and just be able to watch TV, be able to play our video games, be able to read, be able to make videos, or, you know, do something with your time. I think it's amazing that everybody is like cooking and learning different things. I don't know, for me, I feel like this virus is definitely a curse, but it's definitely a blessing in disguise as well, because we're really like reverting back to how things were and how things should be, in a way. Not completely, not totally, but in terms of getting in touch with ourselves, getting in touch with our family, learning how to communicate better, you know, trying to conserve the things we do, and just being more open and sensitive with our feelings. And I don't know, I feel like I personally think there's a reason for everything. I can't explain why so many deaths are happening. I don't think it's fair, but I believe that everything happens for a reason. Like, people die every single day. People die in all of these other countries every single day from tons and tons of diseases. It's natural, it happens. I think it's fucked up that it's happening like so rapidly, because of people's ignorance and because of people like not following rules and doing like normal things when there's literally a state of emergency happening. So I totally 1000% believe in that. But it's just, these things happen, and I think as long as you're staying home, you're staying protected. If you have to go out and you do go out, you go out and use caution. Like, what else are we gonna do? We can't sit here and talk about it 24/7. Like, you can't do that. I literally had like a whole fight with my siblings about that, because in our group chat, all they talk about is this shit, and I'm just like, you know, this is supposed to be a space where like, yeah, we can talk and like chat about like what's happening and things like that, but I don't want to wake up to fucking articles of how many people died. I don't want to wake up to seeing all this shit about fucking coronavirus. Sometimes you just want to wake up and just, you know, not forget about it and not know that it's out there and things are happening, but like, you just want to wake up some days and just try to be happy and try to be normal and go about and have a normal day at home. And people are just crazy obsessed, and I totally get that, you know, people have different ways of dealing with things, but I don't see and understand the need to just literally sit there and talk about this shit 24/7. That's why on my channel I don't talk about it a lot. I don't really, like, this is the first time I'm actually like talking about it, because it's just like, what more can you say? It's fucking everywhere. Like, it's literally all over the news, It's all over our phones, it's all over social media, there's memes. You don't not know that it's there. It's fucking there. Like, everybody's aware. So I don't know, I just hate it. I just hate it, and that's why I try to like make everything so light and just kind of like talk about other things, because you fucking hear about it anyways. So it's just like, I don't want to be another person talking about it like I am doing now. So I apologize, but yeah, my main point of this whole thing was just like, some days I feel really like excited and productive, and then some days I'm just like, I just want to stay in bed and watch movies and not do anything. And sometimes I need days for myself too, where maybe I'm not about the vlogging, but just not like being like as active as on my phone. I just want to like do things for myself, and I feel like we can all use that. Thanks for coming to my toilet talk. My stuff came, so excited. Those big packages, I got these garment racks. I'm gonna set these up tomorrow on video. I'm just cleaning right now, so I'm just gonna continue doing that, but these are gonna be our task for tomorrow. Hello friends, so I literally turned on my computer for the first time in, I think, since the beginning of this year. I just don't use my desktop anymore. I do everything on my laptop. I'm doing my nails right now. I don't know about you guys, but like, doesn't using nail polish and taking off your polish would edge your teeth? I don't know what it is. I just feel like my teeth are all like edged right now. I'm just gonna do my nails all orange, maybe with a couple of stickers on it. I got these stickers that are like super duper cute from Amazon. They look like this, super celestial. I'm gonna go ahead and use that on it. I have glitter on this nail, so I'm just holding down my cotton on there. But I spoke to a couple of my work friends today, and I reached out to some of my co-workers just to check in, and it was just nice talking to them. It made me feel like home again, so it was cute. Now I'm trying to watch Netflix and just chill in this room. Maybe it'll inspire me to like clean a little bit, but my Netflix isn't working, so I can't watch a movie while I like do stuff, which is freaking annoying. And everywhere I go, my mom's like on the phone. But yeah, I will chat with you guys in a little bit. See ya. Hey guys, so I just did my nails. There you go, you can kind of see it. I did this with these nail stickers that I got off of Amazon. So I just painted it orange, and now I'm gonna just stick the stickers on. They're super cute too, I love them. I basically just scoop the stickers out with one of these things that it came with, like a little tweezer. I fold the paper so it's easier to come out, and then I literally just place it on. I try to place it on and then push it down with the other side of it. This side is a lot harder to do, obviously, because I'm right-handed, so I'm just gonna like stick it on like this. Voila. And there you go. So I'm just gonna do that for like the rest of them. So cute. So I'm sure it's pretty annoying when I keep saying we're gonna be productive and we're not. I'm also annoyed with myself. I just switched out my like desk calendar. So I was just writing down all the different things and just kind of getting organized and planning my days ahead. I think it's super duper important now especially, and just in general as a time management rule, to write down all the things you have to do and then dedicate specific days for it so you don't feel as overwhelmed. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it works and I get things done, but at least it gives me a little bit of purpose for the day, you know what I mean? I have so much stuff. I want to sell everything. Like, I want to just sell stuff, have like a garage sale. Like, my whole plan this summer was to have a garage sale, and to just like sell everything, because all of my things are good. I would give things away, and I do often give things away, but at the same time, like, everybody's got a side hustle, right? Like, I have so much stuff that I don't see an issue with selling it. You know, not that I'm selling shit for like hella expensive, but it's just a way to get some extra money. That way I'm working towards saving up a little bit of money, considering the fact that I have no freaking job right now. I'm stressed out about that. Yeah, unemployment is cool and all, but like, I'm stressed because I don't know if I'm gonna work again. So this is like scary. It's a scary time, and I'm just like trying to like do what I can, but it's a struggle. Today was a bad day, guys. It's just an up and down, and I feel like a lot of it has to do with the weather too. I absolutely hate this time of the year. Like, I hate April showers, spring May flowers. Like, oh my god, I cannot tell you how depressed I get, like when it's raining outside or when it's like that. I love the fact that I can cuddle, but like, I hate cuddle weather where it's like cold and rainy. I despise it. Tomorrow's hair washing day. I'm gonna wash my hair. Maybe I'll do the flaxseed video tomorrow as well. We'll see, you guys. We'll see. All right, I will chat with you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. You guys are awesome, and I'm so happy that you guys are enjoying my videos. I appreciate you all for watching and commenting. So definitely make sure you leave a comment on this video. Just 5 comments will get a shout out in my next video. So yeah, all right, you guys, thanks so much, and I will chat with you all tomorrow.